Hold up. You didn't cross-thread it, did you?
Don't mess this up, boys.
There we go.
Boom! Boom! Today we're here changing the oil on the Dynas, boys. Don't forget this oil filter socket. That rubber wrench just is not gonna cut it.
This will never work for your dyno.
First thing we gotta do is we're gonna locate the oil cap.
You can even pop that baby open.
The reason we're leaving that open, it drains a whole lot better if you take that off. We want to give it some airflow, you know what I'm saying, boys? Side note, if you warm it up a little bit, warm oil always drains a little faster. Next, just gonna locate your drain plug. It's gonna be over here on the B side of the bike.
It's right underneath the primary on the left-hand side. It's right there if you boys can see it.
It's gonna be a 5/8 socket. You're gonna wanna have your extension on so you can reach it real good. You're just gonna wanna turn that, pull the plug out, and let everything drain. Here's what they don't tell you, boys. When you got 14-inch shocks on your Dynas like we do, you're not gonna be able to get in there to drain it. So you wanna have one person set on the bike. You're gonna level the bike.
Got it. Okay, she's draining.
Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah. Looks like it was time. There it is. That's what she looks like. She's got a little magnet on there so you can see if there's any metal debris in there. She was in there pretty tight. Whoever put her on there really gave her the beans, boys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Next, you're gonna locate the oil filter. It's gonna be located right down here in the front. Now, boys, I'm gonna tell you, you might get lucky because you don't gotta put these on here real tight. James is actually on hand, was just on hand tight. We checked it. And I'm not gonna tell you it wasn't. Just use your hand and take it off, James. Next, we're gonna get this oil filter prepped to get it installed back on the Dyna.
Oh yeah, with the K&N, they actually give you a nut on the end.
Hell yeah. We're just gonna pour a little bit in the oil filter.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Get her primed up, move her around. And we're gonna take a little bit and we're gonna rub it all over that seal nice. Get her all lubed up, boys.
There we go, boys.
Oh yeah.
All right, now we're gonna get this baby put on there.
Just gonna throw her in there real quick.
Just hand tighten her, boys. No need to crank her down.
All right, boys. Next, you're gonna put the drain plug back in.
Hold up.
You didn't cross-thread it, did you?
I was working on it, that's for damn sure.
Yeah, don't cross-thread it.
All right, boys, we're gonna get this drain plug back in. We're gonna have James stand the bike up while I do it.
Yeah, the drain plug has trouble lining up if it's not standing up straight, so it helps a lot.
Got it right there, boys. Drain plug. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on here, make sure the threads are all cleaned off. We're just gonna start off with our hand so we can get in there. We don't cross thread it. You wanna go about 3/4 of a turn back and then to the right. If you don't know that for sure, get it in there nice and easy. You know what I'm saying, boys?
I mean, I don't see how this isn't in the right groove or where I have it, you know what I mean? To start it, I don't know how it can be in any other.
You didn't cross-thread it, did you?
I was working on it, that's for damn sure.
24 hours later.
Yep.
All right, boys. It's in there.
It's
in there. All right, let's stand the bike back up. Get this sumbitch in there, dude. I just want to tell you, I don't think anybody gives you a warning like you should have. Be very, very careful when you put this in, all right? You're gonna want 100% have somebody set it up straight for you. They downplay how easy this is to put in videos. When you put it in, it wants to wiggle around and not go in straight. Just be really easy, boys. We found out the hard way, didn't we?
Yeah.
God dang, we've been working on this forever. I didn't know if I was ever gonna get it in, boys, but she is in. As you can see, she's turning like a dream now, boys. She's turning like a dream. You want me to see if I can hit 24? You want me to see if I can hit 24 foot-pounds, brother?
And
I know I can. All right, boys, hell, we're here. When in Rome, as they say, do as the Romans do. We got the torque wrench set to 21 foot-pounds.
there we go.
Boom, boys, boom. Boom. Oil plug.
Done.
Oil plug.
Installed, boys.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Don't give up, boys, don't give up. I probably tried to put that thing in there 50 times. I'm not exaggerating.
No.
Took me probably about 50 times to put it in there. But I got her, boys. I got her. Don't give up. Stay positive. I even got a little down, I'm not going to lie, about it. You know, when you can't put an oil plug back in, sometimes you feel a little
defeated.
Maybe a little inadequate. And I don't like that. Next, we just got to fill her back up with oil, boys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, boys. Fill her up with a little oil. We're gonna put about 2.5 quarts in.
Sure.
Always get a funnel. He's got it. Trust me, trust you, trust Jade. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta do a 1/2 quart, boys. Don't just guess.
You got 2 bottles there anyway.
Pro tip, just grab one of your empty bottles and fill it up halfway. You can see it on the view side. Then it's really easy to do.
Yep.
She looks good, boy. Oh, she looks good.
Oh, it's like honey. Oh, it's so sweet, boy. It's so sweet. It's synthetic, don't worry. That's how you change your oil on a Harley-Davidson Dyna. Like and subscribe, boys. If you like Dyna content, if you like hanging out in the garage with the boys and wrenching, if you like riding Harley-Davidson Dyna motorcycles, like and subscribe, boys. Mob and Supply every Monday, 4:20.
It's a good time, boys. It's a good time.
And don't mess up that oil plug.
For sure.
I gotta do it my way. Oh, the high.